Let's make mouth-watering chicken biryani. Soak basmati rice for 30 minutes. Marinate chicken with yogurt, spices, and ginger garlic paste. In hot oil, drop cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. Let the aroma rise. Add sliced onions, golden fry them. Add tomatoes and marinated chicken. Cook till juicy and tender. Boil rice till 70% done. Now comes the magic. Layer chicken, rice, fried onions, mint, and saffron milk. Seal the pot. Let it cook on low flame, the dum rock. Open to heavenly biryani.